What's up, Renier? Okay. What's up, guys? What's happening? What's happening? What's good? What's up, Wayne? What language you guys talking? Is that Dutch? What's up, Brad? What's up, Nom Cozy? Oh, Afrikaans, okay. How am I feeling? Yeah, I'm alright. I'm feeling better. But you'll probably be hearing me like coughing and like doing that a lot. So I apologize in advance. What's up, Master? Kari. Daughter good, yeah. My daughter's feeling a lot better. I think she passed it to me, to be honest. I think she passed it to me. Bank of China did not buy any gold in May for reason of sell-off. Yeah, I did see that. What's up, Addicts? Addictmatic. Raluca, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Something go around. Everyone's got the coughs and headaches. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I've definitely had it. I've definitely got it. Definitely had it. Definitely got it. But I popped some pills. See, this is everything that I popped today, right? I took a Baraka, Hodril, I took some magnesium, some triple immune support, and then just before the stream I popped some mind sharp pills. You see this right here? This is the trick right here to successful trading. Mind sharp pills. They're crazy. TikTok's probably going to get banned for that. Take it back. Take it back. They're just multivitamins, that's all. What's up, Delani? That's your daily kickstart? Which one? I took a trade. No, I haven't took a trade. We're here to watch Mind Sharp Pills guarantee the 10x, yeah. See how I always just know where the market's going next? It's them Mind Sharp Pills, man. They got me feeling good. I'm not gonna lie. All of them, then some. Sheesh. I only really do stuff like that when I'm feeling like I'm gonna get sick, which is like once a year. As soon as I feel like I'm gonna get a bit sick, I'm popping everything, man. What's my outlook at NFP? We'll have a look at that in a second. We'll have a look at NFP in a second. We'll just wait for everyone to get in the stream. But yeah, I apologize for all the whatever that's called, the grunting and puffing. Does it work with all brokers? No, it just works on just on Oanda. So you need to be using the Oanda charts for it to the key levels will work, I'm pretty sure, but the signals only work on Oanda. That's just for consistency reasons, because different brokers print different candles, right? Zetic, you'll find it in the link in my TikTok profile, bro. Yeah, Renier, you don't have to trade on Oanda. You just use the indicator for your analysis on Oanda on TradingView, but then you would enter from your own broker. That's what pretty much everybody does. That's what I do. So I'll follow the analysis from TradingView and the indicator on TradingView, but I'll enter then from the broker on my phone. MT5. Any trades today? No trades today, guys. My trades, I'll show you my trades this week, actually. This has been my trades this week. One of the best weeks I've had in a very, very long time. And you'll see in my Telegram as well, right here, right where I'll go through it. Yeah, I'll click the last week. You'll see all the trades that I took there. Every single trade I took this week, 4 wins. It's been an insane week, to be honest. Jackie and Co, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. What do I think for NFP? Yeah, we'll get to NFP in a second. I've been gone a few days. You know, I've been sick. I've been gone from streaming pretty much this whole week. So let me just ease back into it. Let me just, you know, catch up with everybody, and then we'll talk about NFP. We still got like 50 minutes until NFP comes out, so we got time. We got time. All right, no rush. No rush. No rush today, boys and girls. 10:30. What's up, Alamin? Was looking for me yesterday? Yeah. I've been sick, bro. I've been sick. K4, I've been sick, bro. I'm on the mend though. Izzy, appreciate the follow on TikTok. What's up, PJ? All right. First of all, let's go over this week's trades, because obviously I haven't been here. Yo, what's up, T-Bird? What's up, bro? New Zealand in the house. Let's go. I can't even remember the last time I streamed. Was it Monday the last time I streamed? I think it was Monday, right? I've only streamed Monday this week. PJ, did you find it? I did see somebody has was that you, PJ? Yo, Harmony Couture, appreciate the follow on TikTok. All right, so Monday's trade was right here. Monday's trade was right here. That's Tuesday. Okay, yeah. Monday's trade was right here. Monday's trade was taken on the 5-minute time frame. And basically, here you can see these are the key levels given by the indicator, by the V4 indicator. You can see the red zones, this one, and also this one. Yeah, PJ, I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it on Black Ball. I've got a small account open on Black Ball, but I'm working on the moment. I'm seeing if I wanna do it with Black Ball or if I'm gonna do it somewhere else. But yeah, it's taking a bit of time, but it's for a reason, right? If I do it through Black Ball, that means that everybody will have to sign up to the Black Ball broker and access the copy trading that way. Whereas if I do it somewhere else, for example, on the MLQ website, that means you can connect whatever MetaTrader account you have to my account, right? So I'm just trying to figure out what's the best option. So, yo, what's up, Paul Effects? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate that. David, you'll find the link in my profile, bro. David from TikTok. So, yeah, this was my trade on Monday. So, this key levels provided by the indicator right here, this one and also this one. And you can see I was actually looking for an entry on the 15-minute when this candle started breaking down right here. But this candle just broke and closed all the way down here and gave like a 52 pip move straight away. So I wasn't able to get in during this move down below these levels, right? And then of course this next candle didn't break those previous 5-minute lows either, and price started retracing back up into this area, right? So it broke a key level, came back for a retest, and on the 5-minute time frame here, what happened was you had the fake out, right? This CPAC setup, classic textbook setup right here. You had the close back above the intraday key level, right? So this bullish candle closed above that key level, while also respecting and rejecting this key level, right? Because there's a couple key levels in here. And then the next 5-minute candle spiked out the highs, ripped back down, closed back below. So you got the close out and then the close back in. So kind of like the fake out. Then the next 5-minute candle tapped in right here. Okay, came all the way back up and tapped back into that key level. So you got the closure below, the tap in, and then this 5-minute candle broke the previous 5-minute lows down here, right? And continue bullish, continue bearish. So my entry was in here, and you'll actually see this on my TikTok and my Instagram and stuff, this video when I was in this live trade. I entered right here and had my stops kind of like above here, above this range somewhere. And I was just looking to manage stops very aggressively. But price kind of spiked down. It came down about 15, 16 pips. Started retracing. And I was like, okay, if price comes back up, you know, if price starts breaking this high right here, right, then I'm going to get out of that trade. Because at this point, you've got like the highs, the lower highs, lows, lower lows. And on the higher time frame, the 15-minute closed below this area, came back and tapped, and then was looking to drive again, right? So I stayed in the trade, kind of sat for a bit of drawdown right here. Price spiked back up, created the top wick, and then started driving down. And then once this 5-minute candle closed below right here, that's when I moved my stops to break even, and price just started driving down nicely. And that was my trade from Monday. Tuesday, it was from the 15-minute time frame, I believe. 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Another setup provided by the indicator, right? So here's the indicator key level for that session. You can see the red zone on the chart. Simple breakout, right? Simple CPAC breakout concepts. You can see price come down, reject once, reject twice, okay, on the 15-minute, and then it closed below here, right? Closed below. So again, you wait for a top wick to be formed and tap into like this overall area. in the market, comes back up, taps in, and then my entry was down here as price broke. Once price tapped in and started breaking those previous 15-minute lows, those breakout lows, my stops were in here, and my take profit was down, like, you know, in this general area from the left. So that was my trade on Tuesday. Again, as price started coming down and closing below here on the 15, move stops to break even, and then price just absolutely sold off, you know, massively from that point, from the breakout level from the indicator, price sold off 250 pips, right? So that was Tuesday's trade. Wednesday's trade was over here, again, off of the key level provided by the indicator, right? The key level right here. And what happened is there was actually a buy signal here, which some members was able to get in. So this was the buy signal from the indicator right there. So there's a 15-minute buy signal, and it actually hit a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Some members were able to get it, some weren't, because it happened relatively quickly. But my entry was here. So this is the 4-hour open, right? This bullish candle right here was where the 4-hour candle opened, and it opened up and spiked up without a top wick. Without a bottom wick. You see that, right? This 15-minute candle here is the new 4-hour candle open. It has no bottom wick, and what happened is it spiked up, created a high, started rejecting, creating lower highs, lower lows, right? Closing bearish and then breaking the bullish structure, and then coming down and closing back below the key level provided by the indicator, this key level right here, okay? This key level right here, the green level that you can see. Price then on the 15-minute closed back below, right? So now we have the closure back below, the spike out, and what I was anticipating for this, I didn't anticipate that it was gonna drive down, you know, 93 pips, but I was anticipating a move down into these areas, potentially down into here, or these areas down here, that previous indicator level there, or maybe even down here. But I was anticipating that the 4-hour was going to flip back bearish to create a 4-hour bottom wick, which didn't occur when it first opened, right? So my entry was once this 15-minute closed below, and then the next 15-minute came and tapped back in. So again, we got the closures, and for the confirmation for the sells, it came back and tapped and then broke the previous 15-minute lows. My entry was in here, stops above that previous 15, and my target was, you know, in these areas to the left a little bit in here, and, you know, potentially down in these areas, just that next level, you know, of kind of structure in the market, and beyond that to the next indicator level down here. So that was Wednesday's trade, and then yesterday's trade came in here on the 5-minute time frame again, which was here. And basically what happened was, in here you can see again, we've got the key levels from the indicator, these levels right here, 1 and 2, where price rejected, bounced off and flipped bullish. You could see those rejections right here. As price was coming down, you can see we have this key level in the market right here, this red level, okay, intraday key level right here, and then we have these levels. And what happened was price on the 5-minute came down and started bouncing at this zone 1, 2, 3 times, and then price came back and closed above this key level, right? And what actually happened, my entry was in here as this 5-minute candle closed above this one right here. This next candle came down and tapped and then flipped bullish and triggered me in, right? And then flipped back bearish again. But my stops were below these wicks right here, below this wick somewhere here, and then my target obviously was at this like key level in this area somewhere, and yeah, price spiked down, didn't stop me out. It came close in this area right here to stopping me out, but it tapped back into this level, flipped back bullish, and then drove up and came straight up into the next key level here provided by the indicator and rejected. But this happened within like seconds, this move. So That was yesterday's trade, Thursday trade, and today, of course, I didn't trade. Today I didn't trade because it's NFP, right? But there was a beautiful 30-minute signal here, which some members did catch. I didn't take it, of course, because I don't trade on NFP days, but I mean that would have been a 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio, but the most from the indicator we do is a 1 to 2. So you could have targeted the next key level in the indicator, which would have been there, which would have been a 1 to 2.89. But about 1 to 2 would have been about 60 pips. But overall, yeah, over what, 400 pips in total. It's dropped from that signal. So yeah, that's today. That's today. And now we got NFP. And we're going to wait for NFP. Yo, EFP Trading, thank you for the diamonds, man. Let's go. You're crazy. You're crazy, bro. Appreciate you, man. But yeah, that was my week. That's what these results were from. That's a member's profit from this week, I think. Seal took a buy signal on, I think this is the 5-minute time frame, maybe. And yeah, those are my trades. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this week has been a bit bumpy, right? It's been a bit bumpy, but we're getting there in the end. We're getting there in the end. What's up, Ben? What's happening, Ben? Can I ask why you don't leave a runner? That's not in my plan, in my strategy, master. I just like to get in and get out. I'm very much a scalper. I'm more confident and comfortable that way. Yo, what's up? What's up, Ahmad? How are you, bro? Cody indicator killed it in one trade, 300 pips. Yeah, that was insane. That 30-minute signal was insane. It's actually over 400 pips now, Ahmad. 418 pips from that 30-minute signal. What's my balance now? Oh yeah, I haven't actually updated it in a couple of days because I've been sick. So the last trade I put in was on the 4th, which was Tuesday. So I've got Wednesdays and Thursdays to go. So I'll do that in a second. Discord link. Discord is for just members only at the moment. It may get opened up to public soon, but right now it's just for members. Just to keep it nice and cozy, so everyone can, you know, get seen and heard. But yeah, that was my week. And then NFP. Ahmad, have you set the signals, bro? Have you set the have you set the alerts? Sorry, guys. You probably don't want to sit and listen to me coughing and shit all day. I apologize. Ahmad, it's in the V4 manual, bro. It's in the instructions on WAP. So you gotta go, and all the instructions are there on WAP. They're all there, bro, on how to use it, set alerts, valid, invalid signals, all of that. So for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this level here, intraday level, which is from the indicator. So these are going to be our levels, right? This one right here. I'm going to go over to the left and I'm going to take this one. The ones with more width and which are longer are more the stronger key levels. So I'm going to take that. I want to make sure it's like exactly perfect. That, something like that. I'm gonna take that one. You see, price is actually playing in this area right now. We got the CPAC setup. Look at that, the closure below, the closure back above, the tap, and then the break of the highs and the drive to the upside. Very nice. 25 pips. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, sorry. Just saying good night to my daughter. My God. Yeah, that was a beautiful CPAC setup right there. CPAC. 38 pips and counting. The fake out, closure below, closure back above, then the tap back into that key level, and then the break of the highs. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But yeah, we'll take that level. I'm gonna take this level as well down here. We'll take that one as well. So now we've got our levels, we've got our ranges here that price is playing within. And then if we start breaking above here, then I'll take this level right here. What a big range though. What is that? It's like 100 pips. Is there anything in between there? Yeah, there is. There's this level over here from the indicator. I'm going to take that one. Take that. So now we have our ranges where price can play in between. Very nice. Go to the 4 real quick. We got that. There. All right. That will do for now. That will do. Yeah, you just have to click. Yeah, you have to click in V4. Just make sure to get all these key levels. You want daily levels, weekly levels, and then intraday levels. Show all, and then you're gonna have all these levels. And if it's too overwhelming, you want to get rid of them. Then just mark them out like this, and then you can just turn them all off, and then you don't have loads of lines on your chart that you're getting confused with, right? But yeah, what I'm gonna do here, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn them all off. Beautiful. Now we just got the levels that we need to concentrate on. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Beautiful. And if we need any more, then we'll turn it back on. Oh man, what a week. What a week. How's your guys' week been? How's your guys' week been, man? If you guys on TikTok want the levels, then come over to the YouTube channel. We're live on YouTube. Forex with Cody. Forex with Cody. All right. Forex with Cody. Right. How long we got left? We got half an hour. Let me put in these trades. All right. Let me put in these trades into the journal. Then we'll see where we're at. It's been a crazy week, man. Crazy week. So I got Tuesday. So now I need to do Wednesday. What was Wednesday's trade again? When was that? Wednesday's trade was here. Entry was at... Wednesday's trade was here. Yeah, this was the entry. Entry was at about 4 p.m. ish. 4 p.m. Which is pre-London on gold. It was a sell. It was a type 4. Yeah, type 4. 15-minute entry. It was a from the 4H kind of level. Full risk, 5 lots. And it was 15 pips win. 1-1, yeah, 26.62. Almost identical to Tuesday's trade. 15 pips. Both hit and take profit for 15 pips. That's 61. Let me get a picture of that. Did I get a picture of that? Get a picture of that? No, I didn't. What's this one? Yeah, that was Tuesday's. All right, let me get a picture of that real quick. That was here. I'm gonna have to turn the levels back on for this. Get this in here. This was the entry right there. Stop loss, take profit, wherever that was. All right, copy that link. That was Wednesday's trade. Michael, that's my indicator, bro. You'll find it in the link down below in the description. Why is this taking so long? There we go. So let me just put that link in. Then we have yesterday's trade, which was taken at... That was taken in here. Right down in here. It was this spike up right here. This spike up. It's taken at... 10:20 p.m. which is New York session, right? We've got New York open right now. Yeah, New York. Beautiful. New York session open. Gold, it was a buy. It was type 4. 5 minute. Kind of like daily 4 hour. Full risk, 5 lots. That one was 25 pips. 1-88038. Nice. I need to get the picture. Sorry guys, bear with me. I just need to get the picture of that. Show all. This I'll say I got lucky with this trade. I'm not gonna lie. It was solid analysis, solid entry, right? Like everything was solid, but everything was solid about the entry and the analysis, but this spike up before the, I mean, I didn't anticipate this spike up. I thought price could potentially come up into this level, but this spike up happened in a matter of like 5 seconds, and it hit my take profit literally within seconds. So potentially got a little bit lucky with that, but you know, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm not mad at it. Could have gone either way though. Could have spiked down heavily as well, but yes, we'll never know. It worked out. It worked out. Right. Nah, it wasn't news. It wasn't news. It was here. It happened here. It was this spike up right here. Price was basically, if I turn on the key levels again, you can see it's playing between key levels, right? So it was in between this key level and then like these 2 key levels, right? And then also this one in here, the intraday key level. So you can see once price came down here and tapped into these 2 key levels right here, found support, it was rejecting these levels, and then you get the breakout on the 30-minute. You can see this 30-minute candle right here. This 30-minute candle right here closes above, just about, and then this candle taps in, so you get the closure above, the breakout candle, the tap in, right? You have a look, if you zoom in, you can see clearly taps in there, and then breaks the highs. Beautiful, break of the highs right there. Price drove up like 120 pips or so, which was also, I believe, a signal as well, was it not? Yeah, it was a buy signal right here. So you got the closure above the key level on the 30, the tap in right here. Talk about confirmation for this trade. The closure above, the tap in, and the buy signal with the break of the highs. Nice, 120 pips. But yeah, that's what it was. It was kind of like New York session open volume that gave that tap right there. But yeah, turn all these off again because I hate looking at the charts with all these levels on. But yeah, what's up, Marcel? Do I trade NFP? No, I don't. But you know what I might do for a bit of fun? Get this paper trading account from TradingView, which is practically a demo account. Wants to load, taking too long, but we potentially do that. But let's have a look. NFP, what is forecasted? 1 second. NFP, it's forecasted 182 from 175 to 182. Have a look. Third. It's forecasted. Oh, that's bad. Also got unemployment as well, which they're forecasting is to stay the same, and NFP is forecasted to increase. Yeah, we got 40 people in the YouTube channel. Everybody hit that like button right now. Right now. What's up, Tommy? But no, I don't trade NFP. We're here to watch, do some analysis, have some fun. end the week off on a good note. I'm not gonna risk any of my profits this week. I haven't had a week like this in a long time. That's 5.5k, $5,532.75. So yeah, I'm not gonna give any of that back to trade NFP. It's, yeah, not worth it. Not worth it for me. All right. All right. I had your fake account. Try sell me an auto bot. Yeah, guys. If you're getting, I'm getting so many messages from people talking about fake profiles of me, messaging them and trying to sell them shit. Like, I will never, ever, ever message you first on TikTok or anything like that, trying to sell you anything. I will never message you, all right? I do the streams, I post, that's it. Whatever you do from that information and whatever you click from that, that's up to you, right? But I'll never message you and say, buy this, buy that. So if you're ever unsure about it, come over to Instagram. On Instagram, I have a verified account, right? It's got the check mark next to it. That means that on Instagram, nobody can pretend to be me, right? Because I've had to put in my like passport and license details. I have my whole details, which are now enabled me to verify my account. So if you're ever unsure, come over to Instagram, message me and say, is this you? And I will say, no, hell no, that's not me. Do not give them any money. Do not sign up for anything. All right. So yeah, now that we've said that, we can carry on. But yeah, I would never message anyone first, all right? Trust me, I'll never do that. So don't be giving these scammers your money, please. Ping, you will find it in the link in my profile, bro. What made you move to Terra Australia? My partner. And the fact that I didn't want to live in the UK anymore. Anyone falls for that deserves it. I mean, yeah, like, I know, so yeah, some people are just maybe new to the internet, right? And they just think that people out there are just genuine and who somebody's messaging them with a really good opportunity, you know, they're not gonna think to go, is this legit? Is this the real person? Blah, blah, blah. You know, some people, I don't know, like my parents, right? My parents, it's happened to my mom a couple times. And I have to tell her, like, Mom, what the f are you doing? Like, why are you, how are you getting scammed again? Like, she bought something off the internet that was that she paid $100 for. I can't remember what it was now. It was like a big, it was for the summer. It was like a big swimming pool, one of those inflatable ones. And I mean, at least they sent her something, but she bought a huge swimming pool, paid hundreds of dollars for it. But what they sent her was actually a USB, so like a USB connector or some shit. It was fucked. What's up, Charlie? So yeah, we got 15 minutes until NFP. Right now, I don't recommend trading for anybody until after news. What's up, Alamin? What's up, Alamin? But my prediction is we're gonna see a spike up. That's my prediction. Now, I don't want you guys taking that. I don't want you guys taking that and going, oh, everybody buy, everybody buy. But that's my prediction. My prediction is we're gonna see a spike back up. Maybe momentarily, right? Maybe we'll see a spike back up before it continues to sell off. But that's my prediction based on what I'm reading here, and just the current like price action, just the current price action. But that could be very wrong. That could be very wrong. So please do not, be putting in buy stock or anything like that. But that's what I'm looking at. Nice, Zach. Let's go. We're waiting for NFP, Sergi. We're waiting for NFP, bro. We are waiting for NFP. Oh, and a gift. Oh, what is this? Which broker? I'm on Black Bull Markets right now. Black Bull Markets broker. I've been trading with them for a little bit, and yeah, good broker. Good, very important for me because I am a scalper. I get in and get out very quickly. Very good spreads. Very low spreads. Obviously right now, coming into NFP, high impact news, the spreads are going to start to fluctuate massively, right? But standard during the usual session, very tight spreads, very good. My trades don't get triggered until my actual buy stop, sell stop points. Not before, not a couple pips before or after, like right on the dot where I put the buy and sell stop. That's where I'm getting triggered in the market. So good. Very, very good. What's the name of the broker? FP Markets. Sorry, I just read that other card. What? Black Bull Markets. Black Bull Markets. Bradley, I still have an account with FP, but I'm looking for a solid broker which can offer me more leverage. And I've been using them for a while. But obviously, I don't really want to be giving. I don't really want to be, I wanted to make sure it was a solid broker first before I let people know that, because it is regulated in some countries, but it's not regulated in Australia. So I didn't want to promote or give knowledge or information on an unregulated broker in Australia, right? So I checked it out first. I traded with them for a while. Did some deposits and withdrawals, and yeah, everything from my end so far has been smooth. So it's just about the leverage. Yeah, Bradley, leverage. You can go above 1 to 30 on. You can go 1 to 500 on Blackpool. Any plans using TradingView as your trading platform? Nah. Tommy, I've tried that before. I actually, a while ago, I think about a year or so ago. Oh no, you do have, yeah, FP Markets. I've done it on Oanda before. I remember making a Oanda account before FP Markets was available. And I tried it out, but I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. I didn't like the user face. It felt very clunky. Didn't feel smooth. It's not as easy to use as like MetaTrader, right? It's, I don't know, I just couldn't get used to it. It does seem very convenient to just trade straight from TradingView, but what I felt was there was like a slight delay when entering trades and having and executing on trades with the buy and sell stops, because it goes through TradingView and then it goes through the broker. So yeah, I'm not sure if that technology has been updated now, because that was a while ago that I tried that, and it just, yeah, it didn't, I just didn't like it. I prefer trading straight from MT5. It just seems a lot more smooth. What platforms? This is TradingView, and I use FP markets and Black Bull markets. For the what indicator to use? It's the Forex with Cody Algo V4. Steven, you'll find it in the link in my TikTok, bro. The link in my profile. But yo, these those pills, man. Sheesh, those pills that I popped. Those vitamins that I popped. I shouldn't say pills. Those vitamins that I took earlier. You see these ones right here, Mind Sharp. They got me feeling insane. Trade Locker. Trade Locker, I have briefly looked at it, not in depth, but I know a few people that use it. So yeah, I mean, if MetaTrader ends up getting banned or whatever was happening with MetaTrader, I don't know, but there was something happening with MetaTrader not so long ago, and a lot of brokers and prop firms stopped using MetaTrader, but it seems that everyone's gone back to MetaTrader again now. I don't know, but as long as I can use MetaTrader, I'll use it. And if there ever comes a point where I can't use it, then I will probably, yeah, use Trade Locker or one of those new ones. What do you think about MetaTrader 4? Don't use MetaTrader 4, just use MetaTrader 5. It's the new updated version, you know? There's no need to use MT4 anymore. You only trade gold? Yeah, only trade gold, but I do look at some other pairs as well. FP Markets, yeah, FP Markets is a regulated Australian broker with very good spreads, but limited leverage, because obviously in Australia, trading is heavily regulated, so you can only use a 1 to 30 leverage on currencies and a 1 to 20 leverage on commodities for gold. So for that reason, for a higher leverage, I also use Black Bull markets. But yeah, let's see. We got 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. Let's see some predictions. What do you guys think? Oh, shit. Wait, what is this? How do I use this? Ah, look at that. Everyone do the poll. Bullish or bearish for NFP? We got 5 minutes. We're gonna do the 5-minute chart. You think the weekly candle will turn bearish? I mean, there's a very good potential, yeah, very good potential for the weekly to turn bearish. Where's that previous weekly low? Let's mark that out as well. Yeah, we got some nice ranges here. 100%. The weekly candle can flip bearish. 100%. In terms of the monthly is spiked up, first off. Spiked up, created a top wick, potentially created a lower high, and now it's rejecting and coming down. Once the monthly here starts flipping, once the monthly starts flipping, we'll start to see a drive down, potentially, yeah, back down into these areas. But the weekly can flip bearish for sure. It depends what wants to happen right now with news. You guys know my prediction. You guys know what my thoughts are, what I think is going to happen. Yo, Queen Boss Babe. Somebody messaged me on TikTok the other day, and they said, "Is Queen Boss Babe your wife?" This is the person in the TikTok chat. They said, "Is Queen Boss Babe your wife?" I said, "No." I said, "Why?" They said, "If it is your wife or girlfriend, they are cheating on you." I was like, "What the fuck? What are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about?" You guys know my prediction. My prediction is we're gonna see a spike up. Maybe if it's short term before the continuation overall down, but I think we're gonna see a spike up. Let's see. Yeah, they asked if you was my wife, Queen Boss Babe. Like, what? And then they said that you was cheating on me. All right, guys, we got a minute. We got a minute. A minute. We've got a minute. Let's see some likes in the YouTube channel. Let's see some likes. Let's see some predictions in the chat right now. Let's spam it up. Everybody spam your predictions. Up or down, up or down. Bullish or bearish. Everybody spam it right now. $20. Up. Up and away. All right, here we go. Damn, we was all wrong. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Where's the weekly? What's the weekly? Okay, the weekly flip bearish at this point. Weekly's driving. That's the previous weekly low. We've spiked out. bum, bum. Let's go Safel. Look at that though. Look at that. Look at that price action in there. Closure below that key zone. A 5-minute tap. Sell off. This is driving. Let's have a look at the numbers real quick. Obviously, they're very positive numbers. Yeah, NFP was very positive. Look at that. They forecasted the numbers to increase by about what? 17k-ish. But actually almost doubled. It's crazy. Unemployment rate actually went up as well, so that's actually quite significant that the unemployment rate has increased. So that's negative for the dollar, but the fact that these numbers were so much higher than the forecast is why you're seeing that spike, the downside. Let's go, Ben. Let's go, Benny boy. How much was that? How much was that move? Almost 200 pips. Damn, price gold has moved. This is why we trade gold. This is why we love gold so much. Look how much gold has moved today from the top. This bearish move, it's 741 pips. From this sell signal, 592 pips so far. All right, we've got a minute 40 left of this 5-minute candle. We'll wait for news to settle down a little bit. Hmm. 28 seconds. So this is the previous weekly low right here that it spiked out of. Oh. Let's go, a man. All right, guys. Enough of the. This is a positive chat. All right, positive chat. No arguments in the TikTok, man. No bickering. We're all here with the same intention, the same goal. All right, so it closed below. It closed below. It's tapped in. 15, 30 closure below, tap in. I mean, yeah, that was nice. That was a nice close below and tap, but obviously you wouldn't have been able to enter that because of NFP. Yo, KK, appreciate the follow. Right, as always, Crazy Z, it's just news, bro. It's just NFP news, bro. That's it. NFP and unemployment. What levels we got underneath here? We got anything else? Next level is like all the way down here. What's the monthly? The monthly has flipped bearish as well now. You could just see gold just sell off like crazy now over the next couple of weeks potentially. Look at this monthly candle now. Rejected, flip bearish. This is what we was looking at. This is what we was looking at from the monthly perspective. The whole of last month, right? For the whole of May, is for that May candle to flip bearish. Didn't quite get it for May, but now we've opened up, spiked out, flip bearish here early June. I mean, if you look at last June was also bearish after the rejection. So here's last June, this bearish candle right here. Look at that. Look at these candles. Look at May, right? April and May forming rejection wicks, and then June sells off, right? Same thing up here. April and May we've formed rejection wicks, and then June we can potentially see a sell-off, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen today or anything like that, but it's only the start of the month, right? So we've got the rest of the month to go, right? We're only at the 7th. We're literally only the first week into the month, so the rest of the month has got a lot of room to start selling off. Same as the weekly. Look at that now on the weekly. Obviously, this closes in 8 hours, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this weekly candle closes. And then that gives room for the next weekly candle to open up, create a top wick, which we can then come back. We can potentially pull back, right, and start to retrace from this move that we've had today. Because if you look at it on the four-hour time frame, it's not that significant, right? Look at this move. It's not that big of a move when you think about it, right? Compared to, for example, this move over here. From top to bottom, this move was... what is that? About 1,250 something pips, right? But this one's only 741 or so pips. So relative to the previous bearish move, it's not that significant. It's obviously just happened a lot quicker, but yeah, I mean, this can continue to sell off for sure, based on monthly, based on weekly. It just now depends, right? We're sitting at that previous weekly low now, right? Here's the previous weekly low. That's where we're sitting at. That's where we're bouncing currently. Spiked down into it. We've spiked out the previous weekly highs, spiked out the previous weekly lows. So now this weekly candle has just become very indecisive, right? No direction really at the moment, you know, based on like structure, like simple structure. It could do anything, right? Like I said, spiked out the highs, spiked out the lows. But of course, this is the new monthly candle. So this is just a monthly top wick. So it's not really that important that it's broke the previous weekly highs. It's just really important, like more important just to look at the monthly and see the monthly perspective. So monthly top wick projection to now come down, re-break monthly lows, continue bearish, you know, targets first of all down in here, down in this area. And then of course, you know, the lows and then beyond that. It just depends how this, now how this weekly candle is going to close, right? I'm gonna mark out these areas right here. previous weekly lows. This is current weekly lows. You got the rejection down here. So that's another range we can look at. And then beyond that, I'm not sure where we can look at next. And yeah, on the weaker perspective, definitely down in here, down in this area. So if we get rid of like all that crap now, we can always add them back later. We can focus on recent price action. What's up, Seal? Yeah, you can see now we're tapping on those levels. Nice levels from over here. You can see the tap in here. The last time price tapped in here, you see that rejection and the reaction to the upside. So we've literally come down and tapped into there again just now. Right, so let's see what happens. We've also got a 15-minute closure in 3 minutes, right? So let's see where price closes here. What's up, Aussie Platinum? Yeah, same bro, same Aussie. I don't trade NFP. I don't trade news. It's not worth it. Did I miss anything, Seal? You missed NFP, bro, but I mean, you know, I don't recommend trading NFP anyway. It's just always fun to see, you know, price do this. Let's see. If this current 5-minute candle, starts breaking up here of these areas, you can see this level being tapped. Need to break above those highs though. There's 4-hour closures in about 16 minutes. So again, you can always anticipate that the 4-hour is going to leave some kind of bottom wick, right? You know, similar, if you have a look previously down in these areas, look at this 4-hour candle in here. Look at the wick that this bearish 4-hour candle left, tapping into these areas, right? Leaving those wicks, one here, maybe one here, who knows. You got a lot of rejections in these areas right now, right? Over in here, bearish rejection in here. Got this rejection, potential rejection. So. You want to trade for at least 2 hours? Yeah, I agree with you. Forex with Aria, I agree with you. Hey, did you just copy my name? Did you copy my name? Forex with Aria. Why did BTC crash too? I have no idea. Probably the same reason that gold did. China. Who's seen that Donald Trump video where he's talking about China? China. That video cracks me up, man. Yeah, definitely wait until these 4-hour candles close now. In 14 minutes, 15 minutes, definitely. Oh, show. Yeah, this 5-minute candle closed back below, so yeah. No retracement. No retracement yet. Did it. I'm gonna post TikTok. All right, I'm gonna post a video right now. I live in Melbourne. I need some like dance. I need some good shit, man. I need some hype shit for this video. Not the fuck is this? What's the best part of Australia for a UK tourist to come on holiday? What do you guys think? What do the Aussies in chat think? What's the best part for you or any tourist? Any tourist. I need some like hype shit, man. I don't want no pop shit. I don't want no sad shit. I want some hype shit. Suppose I could do lo-fi, couldn't I? Broken Hill? Where's that? New South Wales. Well, I'm in Melbourne. Yeah, Tasmania. Tasmania is a good one. I'm going Tasmania in August, actually. Tasmania is very nice. Melbourne. I'm from Melbourne, so I can only give you Melbourne. Like Victoria, not necessarily Melbourne CBD, but Victoria is beautiful. So like a Great Ocean Road, you know, like places like Lawn, like along the coast, bro. Along the coast, you can't go wrong. Gold Coast is always a big like tourist destination. Like it's got the beaches, like along that coast in Queensland as well. You're 400 USD down, damn son. Go go to Footscray at night. It's beautiful. Footscray. Fuck Footscray, bro. Bondi. From Geelong, but stayed Tasmania a long time. Beautiful place, yeah. Come to Sydney. There is good vivid and drone show happening. Why is the music so shit on TikTok now, man? That is a nice vibe. Why is gold move south side? I don't know. NFP, bro. NFP. Some news from China. They stop buying gold reserves or something like that. Positive news for the dollar for NFP, and also average hourly earnings. So some positive news for the dollar, outpowering the negative. So yeah, gold has spiked down. Gold spiked down. But we also saw this huge spike. This was from the China news earlier. You guys, the members were telling me about. I'm guessing it's going to be. Where is it? News. Yeah, I'm guessing it's this. China's trade balance. I like Forex Live for actual news. Forex Live is better. Yeah, here we go. Why gold dropped on the headline about China halting reserves buying. Gold sold off on the headline that China halted reserves buying after an 18-month stretch. In my opinion, this has a lot more to do with the prevailing market narrative than a real fundamental reason. In fact, we've been hearing a lot of talk about gold surging because of China and Russia buying. So the risk of that flow stopping triggered a negative reaction. I would also point out that the sell-off could have been exacerbated by algos, and the price is now near the lower bound of the average daily range. Generally, the price doesn't extend much beyond these levels unless there's a very strong catalyst. Therefore, this might be a good opportunity for dip buyers to fade the reaction. There we go. That's why we saw this gold sell-off today, which the V4 indicator predicted perfectly. Look at that. West Melbourne. Guys are from the west side. Oh, fuck. Bro, I have to do this earlier. I have to do this later. Can't post a TikTok. Oh, fuck it, I can. Bro, that would have been a disaster if I spout that wrong. My gosh. Well, I didn't spell it wrong. It was just a typo. No sound? What? What do you mean no sound? You guys hear me? The indicator, you'll find it in the link in my profile, guys. You'll find it in the link in my profile. Calmly. Why am I tripping now? Why am I tripping? Why calmly? Calmly. It is right. Why did I think that was wrong? You know when you look at a word for too long and then you feel like... And then the word just becomes weird? Calmly. But look at the word calmly, right? The more you look at this word, the weirder it becomes. The more you look at that word, like, it just doesn't seem right that it's spelt right or you're saying it right. Calmly. Calmly. I just looked at it for too long, man, and then I was like, wait, that isn't right. Calmly. You can hear, yeah, it just came up on, it just came up that there was no sound in the stream for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway. Alright, we've got 4 minutes until a 4-hour closure. Calmly. Yeah, it's weird, man. The more you say it, the weirder it sounds. The more you look at it, it just doesn't seem like it's spelled correctly. Calm. Calm. It seems like there should be an R in there. Calmly. It's like calmly. I don't fucking know, bro. It's a weird word. Calmly. It sounds like there should be an R in there. Dude, wait, were you going? North Melbourne is the worst place? I expected gold to go up as Russia just called US their enemy. Did they? When did they do that? When did they do that, Seal? Russia just wants all the smoke right now. They don't care, bro. Russia wants all the smoke. All your levels disappeared on TradingView? What do you mean, Zub? Zub. Alright. Let's see how this the 4-hour close is here. The 4H. There's that bottom wick coming in. The 4H bottom wick. North. What are you talking about? North Melbourne? Isn't that like around... Isn't North Melbourne like Flemington areas? Don't you find it weird that China stops buying gold? Well... they haven't stopped. They've just halted reserves buying. Like, they've been doing it for 18 months, so they've probably got a hell of a lot of gold at this point. So they're probably just holding it momentarily, but maybe they're just trying to flatten the US dollar or some shit. I'm the indicator. What, you don't have them anymore, Zub? They're still not there. Try refreshing, bro. Try refreshing. They're still here for me. Taco Man CJ. Oh, CJ, we got the same name. My name's CJ. You're 300. There's the potential for it to come back, bro. Where did you get it? Did you buy for NFP, or was you already in a trade before NFP? There we go. There we go. The 4-hour candle has closed. Tapping in. Oh, there's actually a 4-hour sell, so look at that. 4-hour has closed, tapping into this overall level. It respected these levels, didn't close below, rejected. Let's have a look at the weekly. Yeah, it all comes down to how the weekly is going to be closing now, to be honest. If you want to see bearish continuations next week, you really want this, obviously, this weekly candle to close bearish like this, because that'd be nice. Monday morning or like Monday, Tuesday, you can anticipate that weekly top wick pullback, you know, ever so slightly, because we've already got a huge weekly top wick here now. We've already got a huge weekly top wick here, so you could see a short spike up for the next weekly candle. You could just see absolutely drive to the downside. Especially continuing on with the news, you know, of China halting buying gold reserves, the positive news for the US dollar, positive NFP, right? Positive unemployment. You know, you've seen a short-term impact today, a short-term spike, but it's going to have an overall significant long-term effect on gold and the USD as well, right? Over the next few weeks potentially as well. So you got in before the news? Yeah, probably not a good idea to get into a trade before NFP, Taco, man. To be honest, definitely not a good idea, bro. What's up, Sajid? Yeah, just don't trade the news, man. It's not worth it. Because now look, you're $372 US in the negative in drawdown, when you could have just said, you know what, I'm not going to trade news, and right now you'd be sitting there nice thinking, thank God I didn't trade news, thank God I listened to myself and had discipline. But saying that, there is potential, right? There is potential, obviously, today, and of course next week with the new weekly candle. You can anticipate a short-term pullback, right? Just simple price action. You want the weekly candle to open, create a top wick of some sort before it continues bearish. If this weekly candle closes bearish, right, then yeah, there's potential for price to come back up to create that weekly top wick. But as of right now, man, it's very hard to, you know, after news, you know, this was the news candle right here. This was the news candle. So yo, Billy, Jonathan R, appreciate the follows on TikTok. But yeah, guys, that's me. I'm still sick, so this was just a quick stream today to just kind of get back in the flow, get back into it. I've been off since Monday, I think. This has been about an hour and a half. Just come here to chill with you guys, watch NFP, and I'm gonna rest and recover over the weekend, and then we will be back to normal next week, Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. But yeah, I'm gonna go rest. I'm still, you know, feeling like shit. But yeah, have a good weekend. Like I said, I'll be back on Monday. We'll be back to normal, hopefully, and we'll get back to it, man. We'll get back to it. All right, appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the likes, follows, diamonds, subs. Appreciate you. See you guys Monday. Peace out. See you later, Tommy. See you later, PJ. See you, Seal. Appreciate you guys, as always.